Mr. Lemons! We're in the book.
Hi everyone, it's Mr. Lemons. Thank you for coming and listening to another wonderful book with me. And today we are on part 2 of our An Elephant and Piggie Biggie Biggie adventure number 2 here by Mo Willems. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started on We Are in a Book. So this is me reading a book about them being in a book while you're listening to the book. And we're gonna figure all that out as we go here. Hey, let's get started. Look, the book. We are in a book is in a book. Whoa. We're in a book. We're in a book. Thank you. Piggie. Yes, Gerald. I think someone is looking at us. Someone is looking at us. Who is looking at us? A monster? No, it is a reader. A reader is reading us. How is a reader reading us? The reader is reading these word bubbles. We are in a book. We are in a book? That is so cool! We are in a book. We are in a book. We are being read. We are being read. Oh, I have a good idea. I can make the reader say a word. You can make the reader say a word? I can. If the reader reads out loud. That is a good idea. That is a funny idea. Here I go. Banana. Did you hear that? The reader said banana. Oh, the reader said it again. Banana. Oh, so funny. Do you want to turn before the book ends? Ends? The book ends? Yes, all books end. When will the book end? I will look. Page 123. Page 123 It is page 112 now. See right down there. Eek! Now it is page 113. This book is going too fast. I have more to give. More words, more jokes, more bananas. I just want to be read. I have a good idea. Whisper, 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 whisper. That is a good idea. Hello. Will you please read us again? I hope this works. Me too. And that is the end. But if you remember, way back at the beginning of this book, we go all the way back here. Oh, mercy. All the way back here. All the way back. We read a lot of book today. There it is. I was wondering why Piggie said thank you. It's because we're reading the book again. And every time we read this one, we're getting to read the book all over again. And we get to keep making Gerald and Piggie happy. But we also have to make sure that we look for our pigeon friend here. Among all the laughing Geralds, look right down here. There he is. Hey, thank you so much for coming and listening to another book with me today. It means the world to me that you keep coming back and listening. And if you like these books or any of the other books that I read on here, make sure that you talk to your parents and pick up a copy. And also, if you like me reading these books, make sure that you like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of the books that I'm going to read. But hey, it's time for me to go. You're loved. You're special. And I hope that you have a wonderful night. Bye-bye.